We team Electronics present our product AgroPilot. It is intended at the agricultural tractors. In India, we have around 4 billion agricultural tractors, of which only less than 1% is equipped with the GPS navigation systems, which are crucial in case of seed sowing and fertilizer application, and such many other purposes. In foreign countries, these systems, tractors, are equipped with highly accurate GPS systems. But in our scenario, the small farmers can't afford to put those 3 lakh rupee worth sensors in a tractor which costs around 5 to 15 lakhs. So here is where our solution AgriPilot comes in. It is a low-cost, reliable GNS guidance system which utilizes the data fetched from different constellations based on a few quality parametrics. We analyze which one provides the best possible accuracy for this moving tractor in real time at a particular location and serves the purpose of fertilizer application or seed sowing based on that particular module's location that is being fetched. This is our hardware setup. This is a Raspberry Pi 4 which does the processing of information fetched. This is our GNSS module. This is our GPS module, and ESP32 performs the function of fetching the data collected by the GPS and GNSS module, and it sends the data over to the Raspberry Pi for processing based on 4 quality parameters such as the timing accuracy, satellite count, as in the data from how many satellites are being fetched. Then is the second metrics. Next is signal to noise ratio or SNR. Another is HDOP, which is a metrics used to calculate how the satellite orientation affects the accuracy of this location. So thus, the best location for a moving tractor in real time is being processed by our processing unit, our system, and based on that, the action is performed.
This is the dashboard of our system AgroPilot. So when the tractor moves in a field, a GNS receiver continuously collects the location coordinates such as the longitude and latitude. Then this data is sent to this web dashboard and it's displayed on a digital frame. Then we have the data like tractor monitoring, the speed of the tractor and navigation about it, and engine temperature, battery life, all these data are shown. Then we have the live GNS signals, receiver 1 and receiver 2. It can compare and select the best signals of this receiver 1 genes.